Hi, I am Priyadarshini, currently pursuing 2nd BA English at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is God Sees the Truth. Author Leo Tolstoy. Now we can see the theme of the topic. God knows His plan always best for us, and what we should do it is to encountered and efforts. Now we can see the author introduction. Leo Tolstoy was born on 9th September 1828 in Russia. Leo Tolstoy is a Russian writer who regarded as one greatest author of all time. Leo Tolstoy wrote the famous short stories and movies etc. and he died on 20th November 1910. Leo Tolstoy in Russia. Now we can see the author in characteristics. Ivan Resnick, Akhsinov, Marker Semenov, Akhsinov's merchant friend, Akhsinov's wife, the governor, and the police inspector. Now we can see the summary. Akhsinov is a merchant living in Vladimir town in Russia. Akhsinov is prone to drinking. He is not a violent, but he is a responsible and well liked by people that know him. One day he decided to go to the fair as a business venture, but his wife flees for him not because of nightmare she had that previous night in which he had grey hair. Akhsinov disregards his dreams and leave for the fair. Akhsinov meets another merchant for his way, and they two decide to travel together. They check into inn and they have to drink time. Good time to drinking. Then they retired separately. Akhsinov wakes early in the next morning to get to the fair and leaves without the other merchant. Not far down the road, Akhsinov stopped and approached by his policemen. They explained that merchant was just murderer and robbed, and they checked Akhsinov back. They find a bloody knife, and despite Akhsinov claims that he is not a murderer. He is sentenced and sent to Siberia. After his trial, flogging, his wife can finally visit him, and she sees that Akhsinov's hair has begun to a grey from the stress. Akhsinov spent 26 years in Siberia, resigned to his place, and he dedicated his life to the God. He's become a mediator of sorts in the prison, and he is well respected by the other prisoners and as well as by the guards. One day, some new prisoner, one of them bring Marker Semenov, are transferred to the prison. After overhearing several conversations, Akhsinov is convinced that Marker Semenov is man who committed the murder which he was blamed. One day, the guard noticed that someone has been strewing dirty around the grounds, and they search the prisons and find a tunnel. Akhsinov had found out earlier that it was Marker Semenov who was digging the hole, but after being questioned by the police, Akhsinov declares that it is not a place to speak about the matter. Marker Semenov approached Akhsinov, declared that night is a troubled state, eventually admitting to Akhsinov that it was he who robbed and killed merchant, and he also planned to murder Akhsinov but spared him after hearing noise. Akhsinov forgives Semenov, and he feels as if his trouble weight has been lifted. Marker Semenov confesses to the authorist, and the process for the Akhsinov to be acquitted behind. However, Akisino died before he had released by. He can be realized. So, the moral of the story, we just have to wait for the right time to realize what God's plan for us in the end. His plan is not to make us hurt, but He wants to teach us about value in the life. Not beginning stubborn, we should listen what other had advised us. Their advice may become sometimes very critical. Say honesty all thought, it is hard fact. Thank you.